Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2. What will it look like? We'll have that coming right up. Last Friday, DJI announced that they will be having an event in New York City on July 18th at 10 a.m. called See the Bigger Picture. Many people, including myself, believe that this is a long-awaited and much anticipated release of the DJI Mavic Pro 2. And if you've seen today, Osita has put out a tweet with a rendering of a Mavic Pro 2. And if you remember, back in March and in prior months, he had put out some other renderings of the Mavic Pro 2 with some information along there as well. I believe his information regarding the drone could possibly be accurate. However, I think his renderings are pretty much what the Mavic Pro currently looks like. And I think there's going to be a departure from that. And I think what it's going to look like, it's going to look like the DJI Mavic Air. Bill, why do you think it's going to look like the Mavic Air? I have several reasons why I think it's going to look like that. Number one, and you've heard me state this before, DJI does not waste technology. And you can see, what they've done all the way up in their commercial series, it eventually follows down and trickles down all the way to drones like the Spark. Having, things like the Phantom 1, there was no such thing as avoidance, sensor avoidance. And, they have that in the Spark. So there's an instance of this coming down into all of DJI's drones. Number two, the Mavic Air, if you take a look at it, it's sleek, it's aerodynamic, and it's up to date. It's a great drone to look at. I mean, if you look at it, it appeals to you visually. And I think DJI did their homework, and they did a great job in designing. And the other reason is the Mavic Air continues to sell well. And the reason that I know this is I have a DJI Mavic Air group that I do get a number of requests daily, and it continues to grow. And that to me is a very strong indicator that this is selling well. And you can see they really haven't had any price breaks or discounts on the DJI Mavic Air because it's selling well. Question of the day: what do you think the DJI Mavic Pro 2 will look like? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates. And also check out Twitter where I post daily updates there as well, and also Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!